Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well and staying profitable. This is going to be the daily review for the 3rd of September, 2024. In other words, my birthday. So, didn't take a single trade today, not because of my birthday or anything, but just didn't see a setup I liked. So yeah, we're gonna kind of just go over the day. So, today I went in with a bullish bias today. Now, it was a pretty obvious bullish bias in my opinion. I was talking about this on my Instagram and other things. So pretty much on the daily here, I've talked about this multiple times. We have kind of a unicorn model here. Break of structure to the upside, inversing this daily gap, this daily gap. Here's our breaker. We're tapping into the breaker. We also are respecting this 4-hour here. So coming into the day, I was 100% bullish. I'll just go into, as you can see, that didn't end up playing out, but so this is kind of where we were at, like starting the day, I'd say. So we had multiple attempts to come and sweep these 4-hour equal highs, but we never did. So these are still an amazing target, and I do think we come and hit these. Just we maybe don't know when now, because we've failed to sweep them multiple times. And also we have these are equal highs here. These are relative equal, like one by a tick, but on the 15-minute there are equals highs there. There's kind of 4-hour trendline liquidity, I'd say, forming here. Pretty algorithmic, plus the equal highs, plus 4-hour equal highs here. So it's obviously like super bullish bias. Wasn't going to take any shorts today, and we were also holding up this 4-hour, which helped inverse. We also inversed this 4-hour here, so I was just super bullish, and we were holding this. So bullish all around. Let's get into replay mode here. As we can see, we just dumped, but we'll kind of. I think my bias was still in check. I don't see anything wrong with it. So yeah, coming into the day, let's go down like to the 15-minute here. So I woke up at around 6:30 today just because there was red folder news at 7, and I don't trade before red folder news. So kind of saw the market just dump in the morning as soon as I woke up. So and then there wasn't really much to do here. We kind of just dumped the whole day. Didn't really give us any A plus long entry. So obviously there is a 4-hour. There was a 4-hour here, right? So I pretty much said as long as price holds this 4-hour up, or this 4-hour, right? Then I think we're still bullish to the highs. If we, let's say, destroy all these fair value gaps, then sure, I'll just be bearish and won't take a trade. So yeah, so coming in, I'm just gonna delete this extra stuff. This is a 4-hour gap. So yeah. So that was pretty much my hypothesis for the day. I said, okay, so if we start just wrecking all these fair value gaps, we're probably just gonna come and sweep this this low here. If not, probably reverse and go up to these highs. But it seems like we're just never gonna go up there because we've tried a million times and just failed every single time. So yeah, obviously you can see in hindsight it dumped, but let's say like I'm gonna go over the setups that would have maybe happened. So on the 15-minute here, there's a pretty clear gap that we tapped into. I was looking to see if there's gonna be a reaction off of this. There wasn't. Oh, there was a small one. So coming in, I just wanted to see reactions off of these for value gaps, or any just reaction in general to anything, because this is just like one big 4-hour here. So all through here, I was waiting for a long. Let's just say any good long setup in here, I'd be willing to take. So let's go down to the 1-minute here and see if we got anything around here. So as you can see, I trade inversion for value gaps. Do any of these look clear to you? So in my opinion, no. I mean, like look on the 5-minute. I mean, the 5-minute, first of all, just horrible, and we just dump. Nothing's being inversed, everything's being respected. Why is everything being respected? Because we're bearish. That's just a sign that we're going to be bearish and continue bearish for the day. If we don't get a clean, the good thing about the inversion setups is like, let's say we got like a setup like this, right? Like an inversion here. Would this have been very good? Yes, this would have been like AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Would this have been really, really good? 100%. Did we get it? No. And the reason we didn't get it is because the market's bearish, and instead of inversing this gap, market's going to want to maybe tap into it. It didn't, but tap into it and continue down, or just, you know, like be kind of a, like that's the good thing about this, the IFEG model, is because when you're wrong, the market will tell you. When you're right, the market will tell you. So yeah, pretty much off the 15, off any of these gaps, looking for any of this region, looking for a reaction. We didn't get a single one. A couple bullish reactions here, but nothing at all worth taking. Some people I know took a 2-minute here and got wrecked. This just isn't obvious. This just isn't obvious at all. Yes, there's a bullish reaction, but this gap is just not good. The market doesn't see this. This is, to me, this is just like any other candle. Like it could have been this one. So finding something clean would have been, let's say we just got a candle like this, you know, just closing above this one, inversing quickly. Yeah, I would 100% taken that. Did we get it? No, because the market's bearish. So pretty much going to be a short review today. There's not much to go over. I mean, we just dumped, and it's probably because NVIDIA. I'm pretty sure NVIDIA is down like 7-8% right now. So yeah, I'll just go over why I'm bearish now currently, just for the moment, because there was one last hourly fair value gap here, and I said, okay, once we inverse this to the downside, the draw will 100% be this low. And oh yeah, we just swept it. Okay. I've been kind of waiting for that the whole day, or ever since I stopped trading. That's been the draw since we inversed this hourly. That's been the draw. So looks like we just swept it while making this video. Yeah, so there you go. You swept it right here, and it had a bullish reaction. So let's say, like, this is a good long. Now I'm not saying, well, it's not great long, but I just want to kind of go over the signature and price here. So why is this good? Well, we had a bullish reaction. So we didn't have a bullish reaction to anything throughout the day. Not even if, well, some fair value gaps here and there, but we want a clear reaction. So here, and also on the daily here, there's an opening gap. Is this a weekly opening gap or just a, yeah. So we have a daily opening gap here, which so we souped this low, very, very bullish reaction to it, which is really what we want to see. And also we tapped into this daily opening gap, retesting this opening gap and sweeping this low with a beautiful reaction. That's super, super clean. I would even go as far to say that this 15-second is a really good entry. I never take the 15-second, but just as you can see, this would have worked out amazing. But yeah, so like going off the 2-minute here, for example, probably a good setup. Yeah. So this is an amazing long on the 2-minute. I just want to kind of go over, because I haven't actually taken any trades the last, like, this today and all of last week. I took one trade last week. So estimated close by. Yeah. So I don't know. This trade would be something like this, right? This is such a good trade because of a couple things. So we had this really bullish reaction to something, which we didn't get today. So bullish reaction to this major hourly low, 4-hour low, right? Bullish reaction. This is kind of a turtle soup, right? So your confirmations that this is a turtle soup. We tapped into a daily opening gap, bullish reaction. Really what I look for is mainly a bullish reaction. We have a clear and obvious 2-minute gap here. It's not one like some small one like this one or something, or you know, this one's kind of small too. This one got wrecked. This is clear, obvious, only one in its leg, and also we are delivering from this 2-minute. So looking at this, we had this bullish reaction to this low, but the bodies of these candles held this fair value gap too. So bullish reaction, plus we're respecting this 2-minute bullish fair value gap. We didn't disrespect this. If we disrespected this, would be 100 million times worse, because we have the bullish reaction, bodies holding this fair value gap, really bullish, and cleanly with momentum inversing this 2-minute to the upside. This is 100% a live account play. I am done trading for the day. even though I haven't traded, because I'm done trading after the second macro, which would be at 8:10 PST, which would be 11:10 for you guys. So yeah, this is a great long setup, but I just want you guys to understand why. So because we have a bullish reaction to, well, you could, I don't know if you can call it opening of a PD array, but bullish reaction to a low, turtle soup of a low inside of an opening gap, or just some kind of PD array, right? Prospection of this 2-minute for value gap with a 2-minute clean inverse. This is what I want to see. Have I seen this in the last week? No. And so what? Okay, so here's how I manage this trade. So if I got the entry here, my stop to break even would probably be this. So going on the 30-second, we can see, yeah, I wouldn't have been stopped out break even, just because. So yeah, like I go to stop to break even at like the nearest. If you want to be strict, stop to break even would be this high, and would I have been stopped out? Nope, this would have worked. So let's just say stop to break even's here if you want to be safe. I put my stop to break even at the nearest internal liquidity, because if we tap internal liquidity, we sweep internal liquidity, and we reject, that's probably a losing trade statistically. Okay, and now this would have been break. Well, I would have scaled, but so it would have been break even. So if we tap internal liquidity and we just reject, I don't want to be in the trade anymore. So that's why my stop to goes break even. But this is really close, so maybe I'd go for something more like this, right? But yeah, so this would have been a winning trade. Probably would have scaled maybe at like 50% of this. So extending this out probably would have scaled there. But yeah, I just kind of that's what I want to see in the markets. Did I see it today? No. So yeah. Anyway, have a great day, you guys. I'm gonna go spend my birthday, have a good time. So hope you guys do the same. Hope you guys had a green day today. Peace out.